हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो आप सब। आज हम लिखने सीखेंगे अल्फाबेट्स। रेड कलर A for airplane. Sky blue color B for ball. Pink color C for cow. Green color D for drum. Black color E for egg. Light green color F for fan. Blue color G for goat. Orange color H for hen. Sea green color I for ice cream. Red color J for joker. Light green color K for king. Pink color L for lion. Red color M for monkey. Pink color N for nest. Blue color O for orange. Green color P for parrot. Light blue color Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sunflower. T for tiger. Orange color U for umbrella. Pink color V for violin. Red color W for watch. X for xylophone. Red color Y for yo-yo. Pink color Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W